In the 30,000 years humans and dogs have lived together, man's best friend has only become a more popular and beloved pet. Today, dogs are a fixture in almost 50% of our households. In an interesting article by Teresa Fisher, I was reading from the way dogs thump their tails, invade our laps and steal our pillows. It certainly seems like they love us back. But since dogs can't tell us what's going on inside their furry heads, can we ever be sure? Well, actually, yes. Thanks to recent developments in brain imaging technology, we're starting to get a better picture of the happenings inside the canine cranium. Scientists are actually studying the dog's brains. And what the studies show is welcome news for all dog owners. Not only do dogs seem to love us back, they actually see us as their family. It turns out that dogs rely on humans more than they do their own kind for affection, protection, and everything in between. The most direct dog-brained evidence that they are hopelessly devoted to humans comes from a recent neuroimaging study about odour processing in the dog's brain. Animal cognition scientists have trained dogs to lie still in an MRI machine and used fMRI, functional magnetic resonance imaging, to measure their neural responses to the smell of people and dogs, both familiar and unknown. Because dogs navigate the world through their noses, the way they process smell offers a lot of potential insight into social behaviour. The scientists found that dog owners' aroma actually sparked activation in the reward centre of their brains, called the caudate nucleus. Of all the wafting smells to take in, dogs actually prioritise the hint of humans over anything or anyone else. And these results go along with canine neuroimaging research. In Budapest, canine brain activity in response to different human and dog sounds has been investigated, including voices, barks, and the meaningful grunts and sighs both species emit. Before this study, we had no idea what happens inside canine brains when humans make noise. Among other surprising findings were marked similarities in the way dog and human brains process emotional vocal sounds. Researchers found that happy sounds in particular light up the auditory cortex of both species. This commonality speaks to the uniquely strong communication system underlying the dog-human bond. So, dogs just don't seem to pick up on our subtle mood changes. They're actually physically wired to pick up on them. It's very interesting to understand the toolkit that helps such successful vocal communication between two species. We didn't need neuroimaging to see that communication work between dogs and people, but without it, we didn't understand why it works. Well, now we're really starting to. Fantastic! Aww. And never forget, you and your dog, you're absolute stars. Well, that's what you are to me. And we can tweak our twinkles together. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you press the little bell, you'll hear about the next video when it comes out. Let me know how you're feeling in the comments below, or on Facebook or Instagram.